Hello YouTube, this is Thor the Engine again I bought another purchase. This is a 2005 Poulan Pro 52 inch 25 horsepower hydrostat riding lawnmower. I was looking for a riding mower to cut this big ass yard with, so doing it with a push mower just wasn't doing me very well. So who the hell wants to do all that with a push mower anyway? Um, yeah, this is the 2005 Poulan Pro 54 inch 25 horsepower um, riding mower. The engine in this thing is a 25 horsepower Kohler Command dual piston engine with a front intake. Uh, Not really much I know about these engines other than these things are complete oxes. But we got a massive deck. This one's got 3 blades under it. Blades are what look to be like Cub Cadet style blades. They're pretty sharp. Also, we got a cup holder, and the gear shift is right here. It's almost like a zero turn. This thing turns left really sharp, but it doesn't turn right very well. So I'm gonna see if I can't get that taken care of and get that fixed. But yeah, here we go. Let's do a demo of this riding mower. Here's the back of the mower. Now on the front end of this thing, we have a little bit of cosmetic damage, which doesn't really matter. It doesn't affect the overall performance of the mower. What I do like this nice big gas cap though. Nice big 2.5 gallon gas tank. Um, Shoot. Yep, there's one on this thing. There's a chute. All right. So let's fire it up and let's see it running. All right, so here we go. While I'm mowing, I had the blades on. I'm gonna put this flap down because, well, it's there for a reason. Stones and sticks can fly out from under this thing at 200 miles an hour and could be lethal to a child or a small animal. Don't be an idiot. Use your safety devices. And always be sure to wear hearing protection. Alright, let's get it. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. The 2005 52-inch 25 horsepower hydrostat riding lawnmower. This thing is amazing. I'm really glad I bought it. And I got this thing for dirt cheap, for a price I just couldn't say no to. Now granted, it's no John Deere. I mean, nothing can outdo a John Deere, but it's something. And it'll take care of this yard just all right. Until next video, this is Thor the Engine here. Have a good day.